Well, there it is, folks. Sorry about no speaking out there. The neighbor's out there, so he's like, every time I go out, neighbors. Okay. Trying to figure out how this. It's like they wrap it like a garbage bag or something. Some type of black wrapper. And I mean physical, this type of thing, not, like, I'm a rubber man. That's probably one of the worst you've ever heard, but whatever. You can see some of it. I'm gonna be careful here. Oh! Careful. Oh, it's still shrink wrapped. Yeah, I think it's a garbage bag. Ow, watch it. Got home from Rochester. I had an appointment for the eye. Put it like a ear duct drainage plug. A tear duct drainage plug. Ooh, hope you didn't see that. Yeah, they put a tear duct drainage plug in. See if that's gonna work. Seems like it is. Yeah, it is a CD-2. Plastic. Off battery. Yep, CD-2. What's that? Just a sec. I think it's just a little thank you thing. All right. Yep. I actually did get it. All right. Now let's go into the wrapper. So this would probably be more like one that would be at an electrical supply place. It's got more of a generic box. It doesn't have graphics on it like the normal one does. All right. Opens up like that. Not sure if you saw that, but opens up like this. There's the manual. And here's the alarm itself. There's the horn, I do believe. Oh, that's right there. There's the back of it. CD-2. I was about to say, doesn't have the wires, but nope, it's right here. Nope. I don't even have my iPad anymore. Broke. Oh, looks like it was used. You can see that. Looks like it was used. Even though it's shrink wrap, maybe the seller has like a shrink wrap machine. And she used it to kind of rewrap it. Because obviously you wouldn't have gotten it that way from the factory. Anyway, here's the wires, or here's my cord. This is still from the BDC unit I had. There we go. Yeah, those drainage things seem to work so far. Of course, it hasn't even been it's only been a couple hours. But it was bad this morning as far as weather. We actually saw a really bad accident. To the right, we saw a car. It was in the ditch and it was like crumpled. I mean, it was like, let's see. Let's say this is the car. It was like more like this. And then a little farther down to the left, there was a big red pickup truck on its side. And evidently the car hit the pickup truck. Because I was listening to the scanner feed, and they said the pickup truck and the car that hit it. So, here.
Motor vehicle accident with injuries. I-90 eastbound at the 203 mile marker. Reported pickup on its side, and a vehicle has struck it.
Should have put the bracket on, because it's in here too. I'll put it on. Now rewire it. Okay. Something that you've never really seen me do. The initial power up. Usually I'll just do it on my own. Especially for one like this with the electromechanical horn. There you go. The light's on and there we go. Maybe it's just not getting a good connection. But I even said in the listing that I'll hook it right up, and as you see, that's what I did. It's cool though, I like it. Now hopefully it won't go off and scare me, because it's time for the manual. Of course, maybe I wasn't getting a good connection. Hello. Here we go. And if you want to look at this
for
in more detail, just pause.
Motor vehicle accident with injuries. I-90 eastbound at the 203 mile marker. Reported pickup on its side, and a vehicle has struck it. I-90 eastbound at the 203. Please acknowledge page 732 on November 23rd.
Metal copies page. And 459, is there anybody else responding to the garage? 473. Got it. Is
7 is heading in.
Copy. Ready, 2 rigs going. The Geneva Heartland X. I copy.
You might have seen the orange one had a plastic cover over it. So it wasn't even used. Yeah, also there, as you can see, that they're using the actual Code 1 design, so, you know, like, since this was a division of Firex too. Whatever. Yeah, since it's made by the same company as Firex, you know, sometimes they'll put the different... Whatever. We'll put Firex labeling on it. No. We'll put the Firex imaging on it. There you go, folks. I think we saw this, didn't we? Yep, we did. Alright. This is kind of a staple of the Code 1/Firex manuals. That and that. So those are reused, but like that one, as that is original to this. So there you go, folks. Do a quick final test. There you go. Thanks for watching.